Powder-coated products are stronger, better for the environment, and overall deliver a better product experience. Powder coating enhances the products used in your everyday life, providing long-term strength, durability, and value. In your home, things like appliances, exercise equipment, and even toys can all benefit from the durable and beautiful finish of powder coating. Powder coating provides unmatched protection against drops, scratches, color fading, corrosion, and even the harsh effects of Mother Nature. The strength and weatherability of a powder-coated finish help your products last longer, ultimately making any purchase a better investment and keeping the products you love most put to good use. From exercise equipment and playgrounds to patio furniture and fencing, powder coating is stronger, greener, better. Ask your local retailers about powder-coated products and look for the powder-coated Tough mark today. To learn more about powder coating, visit www.powdercoating.org.